Worldwide energy consumption is growing, and it's set to grow by a further third by 2040. The electricity consumed by commercial buildings has doubled in the last 30 years, and now totals about 1/3 of all electricity consumed on the planet. The vast majority of buildings that will exist in 2050 are already standing, so halting this growth in consumption and improving the energy performance of these existing commercial buildings is a huge challenge. We need a new approach, a smart approach.
enModus is a smart buildings technology company. We can monitor, control and connect to the internet anything that is mains powered in the building. We founded enModus because it was obvious that there was a big problem with how energy was being consumed in existing buildings. It's obvious that installing a network of control wires in an existing building is a non-starter, and wireless can be hugely unreliable at scale. So we thought, well, why don't you use the power cables to connect everything together, because they're already there. And that's why we developed WattWave. WattWave is a communications technology that uses the mains wiring to send and receive signals between anything that's connected to that wiring and the internet. Wiring is everywhere in the building, so why not use it? Powerline communications has been around for decades, but what we've done is we've brought it into the 21st century. We've taken some robust communications techniques that are commonly found in things like smartphones and GPS receivers, and even noise-cancelling headphones, and we've put them all together in a novel way in WattWave. And we've ended up with a two-way communications technology that's very long range, extremely robust and highly scalable. We've developed products that are installed in each light, usually as part of an LED retrofit, and require no additional cabling. So as soon as the power is turned on, WattWave communicates via a centralized hub out to our cloud-based control platform. It's that simple. For LED lighting as an example, customers can monitor and control individual lights, groups of lights, buildings, or even the whole estate from one centralized user interface. So from real-time energy consumption and the health of the LED lamp and driver, through to controlling the settings for dim levels, schedules and sensors, all of this is actually done through WattWave. Fine-grained and individual control allows each asset to be tailored for extremely high efficiency at any particular point in time, and that really means maximising the energy savings. We know from case studies that a WattWave-controlled lighting network can deliver over 90% energy savings when it's combined with an LED retrofit. But it's not just about the energy savings though, because with fine-grained control comes fine-grained reporting. So customers can see all of their real-time and historical data all in one place.
After our acquisition by Volvo, we faced a number of challenges. Volvo obviously brought new core values to the business, so quality, safety and environment being paramount in the Volvo Group and VCE's business remit. Environmental focus was new to the business. Yes, we'd always focused on our compliance, but in terms of our improved performance, this was the biggest challenge that the business faced. How do we start to address and understand our energy usage, and how do we reduce that energy usage? So the enModus technology allows us to address this challenge, particularly around environmental performance, by giving us data. So data is going to allow us to make decisions on capital investment, process improvement, building and machinery utilisation, and therefore drive KPI improvements in the environmental area as well.
Our vision for enModus is to have no wasted electricity in any building on the planet. It's as simple as that. And we can move towards that by helping to connect, control and monitor anything that is mains powered in a building. And we'll do that with partnering with companies who will embed WattWave into their products, enabling these products to connect to the internet from any point in any building, and also partners who can provide sensors that use the WattWave network to add value to the end customer. Ultimately, we're a technology company. enModus is a technology company, and what we've developed can make any building smart, and that minimises the financial cost for the building owner and the environmental cost for everyone.
enModus. We make any building smart.